What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track order on Alibaba. So you might be wondering, how to exactly track your order here in Alibaba? So let's just say you ordered something from Alibaba and exactly you're learning how to track your order. Well, learning to track your order is fairly easy here. So first things first is you can actually download or you can actually track your order via the Alibaba mobile app here. So again, you want to download and install the mobile app for Alibaba and log in into your account. So that's the first thing that you'll be doing here is just log in into your account. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you have my Alibaba. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, you have a bunch of options. You have my features, my orders, and keep looking here. But what you need to do is just click on the My Order section. Now, in my order section, you should be able to see all the products or all the orders that you currently have. Now, if you have any unpaid orders, you should be able to see under unpaid. If you have like orders that you recently bought here, this where you'll be able to see it in here in confirming. Now, if your order is currently being prepared for shipping, it should be under preparing for ship. And if it's on the way to you, we have delivering here and refunds and after sales, just in case like if you refunded something in your account. Now, once an order has been delivered, you should be able to see it under completed. But yeah, you could also see everything under all here, and if you click on that specific product that you see under here, you should be able to see further details like what's the current status of that order and whatnot. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.